In this video, we want to prove that sine of 4x minus sine of 2x over sine of 2x equals cosine 3x over cosine x. We're going to start with the left-hand side, and we're going to use the fact that sine of a minus sine of b is equal to 2 cosine a plus b all over 2 times sine of a minus b all over 2. Here, a is going to be 4x and b is 2x. So sine of 4x minus sine of 2x is 2 cosine 4x plus 2x all over 2 times sine of 4x minus 2x all over 2. Simplifying that, we get 2 cosine 3x times sine x. Now we can substitute that back in. So instead of sine 4x minus sine 2x over sine 2x, we have 2 cosine 3x sine x over sine 2x. We can simplify sine of 2x using the identity 2 sine x cosine x. So that turns into 2 cosine 3x times sine x over 2 sine x cosine x. The 2's are going to cancel, and so are the sines. So what we're left with is cosine 3x over cosine x. And so we have proven that sine of 4x minus sine of 2x over sine of 2x equals cosine 3x over cosine x.